ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 32, Mixed Referencing. Mixed referencing is a cross between absolute cell addressing and relative cell addressing. One part of the reference is fixed with a dollar symbol and the other part is not. For example, $A15, the column A will be fixed, or $15, in which case the row number 15 will be fixed. Okay, let's start a new workbook, and we're going to be creating a spreadsheet. In B2, put in 10%. In C2, put in 20%. Press enter, select the two cells, and then drag along to column F. Next, if we go to A3, put in the number 5, then 10 in A4, then again select the two cells and drag down, this time to row 7. In cell B3, enter the formula equals A3 times, which is multiply, by B2, and this will calculate 10% of 5, which is 0.5. If we then select B3 and use the fill handle to drag the formula across to F3, and then take the fill handle again and drag down to row 7. The results are obviously not what was intended. If we double-click on cell D5, we can check the formula and which cells it uses. The formula is equals C5 times D4 because of relative addressing. The formula should have been equals A5 times D2. Okay, so to rectify that, highlight and delete the range B3 to E7. So first of all, let's press enter, and then select from B3 to F7 and delete. Let's try and use absolute referencing to overcome this problem. In cell B3 this time, type equals $A$3 times $B$2, and then press enter. If we then drag this formula across to column F, and then down to row 7, and then double click on D5, again we can now check the formulas and which cells it uses. The formula is actually equals $A$3 times $B$2, so all the formulas are now the same, which is still not correct. Mixed referencing can be used to fix the column as A and row as 2, allowing the other reference to change to calculate the formulas. So again, let's highlight, then delete the range B3 to F7 again. And then let's move back to cell B3. This time we're putting in equals $A3 multiplied by $B$2. This fixes column A and row 2 because the dollar signs are before these values in the formula. If we now drag this formula across to F3 and then down to row 7, and then double click in cell D5, we now find that the formula is equals $A5 multiplied by $D$2. Okay, if we press enter, we will now find that all of the results are the ones that we wanted. Okay, let's save the workbook as mixed and then close it. Okay, looking forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be doing lesson 33, which will be custom number formats. I look forward to seeing you then.